Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the SmartyPants Kids Formula Daily Gummy Vitamins, gluten-free multivitamin omega-3 fish oil, DHA EPA, methyl B12 vitamin D3 vitamin B6 120 count, 30-day supply. Packaging may vary. Can't say enough about these vitamins. Taste great and good for you. Would not hesitate to buy for any kids. They are so yummy that my kids ask for them even after they have had their vitamins for the day. SmartyPants vitamins are the best you can buy. No fake stuff, great taste and good for you. SmartyPants rocks. Buy them, see for yourself. If you are looking for a kid's vitamin with no sugar added, omega-3s and vitamin D3, SmartyPants gummy vitamins all-in-one fiber gummies for kids is for you. This company also partners with Vitamin Angels and makes a 1-for-1 matching nutrient grant to a child in need with each vitamin purchase made. My girls love the flavor and have no issues taking them. They sound very similar but are very different, however they work together for good gut health. Before 2 multivitamins, fish oil, D3 fiber, probiotic 7 total, roughly 90 a month now for SmartyPants probiotic. He has made a bowel movement every single day, even twice a day with ease for the last 4 weeks. Amazing product, so thankful. It could also be due to the fact he is getting older, but a big difference since about 2 weeks after taking 4 gummies a day. His pediatrician mentioned he needed a fiber vitamin and to take Miralax to make sure he was going at least once every day. It was like getting an extra treat. 2 weeks into the vitamins, his stomach pains are gone and he has cut back on his lactose chewables. These are soft and stay soft until the entire container is gone, unlike some other brands that get hard after opening. It almost tastes like the peel of an orange. Overall great taste, and the shape is kind of weird for toddlers. The only thing is it's not as chewy and seems a little dry compared to other gummy vitamins, so my kids don't like it as much as some others they've tried. Give them to my skin who has an allergy to milk and soy, as he can integrate lots of vitamins as easily as other kids. My son loves the taste, and with the fiber added into this one he hasn't had any more issues getting things moving, so win-win all around. Love this vitamin for kids. My daughter didn't want to take them at first, but after seeing how good she feels she now asks for them every day. Best part of these is they attached a note on latest vitamin that stated they have the methylcobalamin on them as opposed to folic acid. My kids ask to take these and the fiber helps mine with their bathroom issues, so no constipation. Also seems to help my son with sensory processing disorder and ADHD. It has good quality vitamins, but the narrow opening makes it harder to get them out, especially when they are so sticky and stuck together. My kids absolutely love that things. They do what regular vitamins do, only my kids think they are getting a yummy treat every day. My kids wouldn't take other vitamins before these, and now they get up every morning and ask for their vitamin. Adults who don't like the taste or have trouble swallowing vitamins would love these too. It is hard to distinguish from gummy candy. Both my kids ages 10 and 12 remember to have their vitamins every day now. BC it's more like a treat and they are finally pooping every day. My son loves these. The taste is great and they are easy to chew without getting stuck in his teeth. Lol. Maybe this is trendy, but it seems like there is a lot of info coming out now about VK2 and K7. My toddler was initially happy to eat these but has now decided he doesn't want anything but cheese, bananas and strawberries. My toddler does not eat candy or processed sugars, only on rare occasions, so it was really nice to find this product. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.